The new 1-liter petrol engine will replace the 1.2-liter all-naturally aspirated petrol-powered variants of the Polo. New 1-liter Polo was 18 kilograms lighter than previous one. Prices for the new 1-liter Polo will start at the same as it was before, 5,41,000 Indian rupee ex-showroom. Volkswagen India has discontinued the 1.2-liter 3-cylinder, 12-valve petrol engine in the Polo hatchback. The Polo will now instead get a 1-liter, 3-cylinder MPI petrol engine instead. The new engine is also more fuel efficient as compared to the earlier version, where the older 1.2-liter MPI petrol returned 16.47 km per liter according to ARA test results. The new smaller 1-liter MPI petrol engine offers 18.78 km per liter. Although the new engine is smaller as compared to the outgoing version, it delivers a maximum power of 75 bhp at 5,400 revolutions per minute and a maximum torque of 95 Nm at 3,000 to 4,300 revolutions per minute. The kerb weight of the new Polo 1-liter Polo is 1,044 kilograms, which is 18 kilograms lighter than previous one, and gross vehicle weight is 1,500 kilograms. The new 5-speed gearbox is effortless and has short throws. Also, reverse gear isn't up and away from the first anymore. It is in a more conventional place, beside the fourth. The clutch pedal has a long travel with a springy action, requiring a bit more effort than usual. The steering, however, is direct and nicely weighted. And, as before, ride and handling are excellent. Fuel tank capacity of the vehicle is 45 liters and turning radius is 4.97 meters. Overall length of the vehicle is 3,971 mm, overall width is 1,682 mm and overall height is 1,469 mm. Wheelbase of the vehicle is 2,469 mm and ground clearance of the vehicle is 165 mm. The Highline Plus that we drove is the top-spec variant and gets an all-black theme with new brown and black leatherette seat upholstery. The seats are very comfy and there's even a driver armrest now, but it fouls with the driver's hand when shifting gears. Quality of bits remains top-notch and the interiors are superbly put together too. This variant is well equipped and gets kit-like dual airbags, ABS with EBD, an auto-dimming mirror, cruise control, touch screen with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and Mirror Link, one touch-up, down windows, rear air-conditioned vents, climate control, rear wiper, washer, parking sensors, and 16-inch alloy wheels with wide 195 mm tires. Still, it misses out on certain bits like navigation, reversing camera, projector headlamps and keyless entry go. Boot space of the vehicle is 280 liters,